Enbrighten LED Wi-Fi Smart String Lights. The Enbrighten LED Wi-Fi Smart String Lights are a remarkable addition to your holiday decorations. With their elegant white color and color-changing feature, they bring a perfect blend of sophistication and festivity to any space. The Enbrighten brand is known for its quality and innovation, and these string lights are no exception. One of the key highlights of this product is its LED light source. LED lights are not only energy efficient but also durable, ensuring that your string lights will last for years to come. The corded electric power source adds convenience and reliability, allowing you to confidently display these lights without worrying about battery replacements. The Enbrighten LED Wi-Fi Smart String Lights truly shine with their multicolor light option. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can effortlessly transform your space into a vibrant and lively setting. The plethora of colors available ensures